We'll guide you through how to compare VS Code and Cursor, two popular code editors. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and visit the official websites for both VS Code and Cursor. Start by exploring the features section on each site to understand what each editor offers. VS Code is known for its extensive extension marketplace, which allows you to customize your coding environment with tools that suit your workflow. Cursor, on the other hand, might have a more streamlined set of built-in features if that's what you're looking for. Next, download and install both editors on your computer. This will let you try them out firsthand. Open VS Code and explore the user interface. Check out the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P if you're on Windows or Command-Shift-P on a Mac. This palette lets you access all commands available in VS Code, which is a great way to see its capabilities. Now, switch over to Cursor and do the same. Look for any unique features that might stand out, like different themes or layout options. Both editors support various programming languages, but you might want to test them with the languages you use most often. Create a simple project in each editor. For instance, try setting up a JavaScript project and writing a few lines of code. Pay attention to how each editor handles syntax highlighting, code completion, and error checking. These are crucial features for efficient coding. If you use version control systems like Git, see how each editor integrates with it. VS Code has a built-in source control panel that makes it easy to manage your repositories. Check if Cursor provides similar functionality or if you'll need to rely on external tools. Finally, consider the community and support for each editor. VS Code has a large community and plenty of online resources, which can be very helpful if you run into issues. Compare this with what Cursor offers in terms of support and community engagement. By trying these steps, you'll get a clear sense of which editor better suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.